Hello everybody. I wanted to give you just one more quick tip. This is the Delica that I reground so that it was thinner behind the edge. I didn't actually touch the edge bevel. All I did was thin out the primary grind. But the little tip I wanted to give was how to add a sharpening choil. You can see I've added a sharpening choil down here, just a little one. And that helps quite a bit during sharpening, actually. Even just that little bit. So in order to do that, all you've got to do is take your sharpmaker stone and use the pointed part of the triangle, obviously, and make yourself a little choil. Or obviously that's one way to do it. And again, it really helps out when it comes to sharpening. So anyway, that's the little quick tip of the day. And a better look at my Delica, which I really like now that it's got the pointy tip modification. So thanks everybody for watching, as usual, and we'll see you on the next video.